Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. So Coupang, this is the stock request we've had for some time. Thank you for your patience. I think we found something here, a particular range that you might want to take a look at. We have a time frame that we should expect to see at least a downward pressure subside. And that's what we're going to go over in this video. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action via candlesticks and lines. New subscribers, welcome in. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's September the 8th, 2021, and the current price of Coupang Cpng is going to be $31.32, slightly negative 3.7% for the day. Okay. Keep in mind, this information is typically geared towards the long-term investors or the swing players. If you're daily participating, I'm not sure if you can use this, but let's see. Here's a chart. Okay, we're looking at the 3-day candles here, and we have the strategy test. Again, we're testing our strategy. It's telling us to at least consider looking for reversal candles if the market actually dips within the $25.15 level all the way up to $29.65. Okay, 3-day or weekly candles preferably. And the November the 15th date is just simply the date where we think that the downward pressure should at least start to finish out, assuming that the market can, at least in the very worst case scenario, stay within this range, or at least a lower level here at about 25.15. We should see some sort of sideways consolidative phase in preparation to break out beyond the yellow ascending line. If you're new, it's just the line that's keeping the price down. It can't seem to break through that line without experiencing downward pressure. Every time it tries to break through, it just kind of continues lower. So that's what the yellow ascending line means. The red line and the green line are very specific as well. It's below the critical level, $39, which means that this stock is subjected to extremely lower prices, as closer to zero that you can think of. All stocks can go to zero in my book. So if it's below the critical level that I've identified on the chart, yeah, it's subjected to go to zero. Not saying the stock will go, but this is just my way of understanding this stuff, okay? So it needs to get above $39 in a minimum case scenario in order to have a chance to propel higher. 63 is a longevity line that it really needs to crank things up and get above. But I just wanted to kind of give you that overview of the macroscopic look in the stock. So far, it appears that the market wants to continue lower. This is a bearish candle on the 3-day here, September the 2nd. This leads me to believe that the market could find itself within this strategy test zone, so to speak, range rather, in between these levels here, guys. So yeah, I give the market at least until November the 15th, 2021. Unfortunately, I don't have any. Even if the market moves higher, I think it will run into this descending line of a resistance. It's kind of arbitrary, right? But it's very simple to see if you back out. Okay, I don't think it's in the best interest for the market to blast off in a very short period of time. But if it does, that would be very shocking to me and outside of my understanding of price action in terms of what I'm looking at. But let's just say it doesn't move lower within the strategy test range. That's perfectly fine for the long-term investors who have been buying in. 29.65 will be that level to take note of just in case the market is finding financial support here. But I do think that it will still need a little bit more of sideways consolidating and expect a breakout date near or just after October the 7th, 2021, assuming 29.65 can hold as support here in the short term, okay? Guys, the market may be gearing up to blast off within the next day or so, okay? But this is just my little, range and levels that I was able to find. So hopefully this is useful to one person out there, and that's how we're going to cut out the video. Somebody say, okay, what's your price target? So typically I just look for the previous level of support, okay? That will be near the $39 level, okay? And I mean, if it breaks above that level, great. But that's basically how I play the markets. I try to position myself in the market from a position of strength, which again will be a specific range that I've identified. As soon as I can identify that reversal candle, I will position myself. I'm not in the market right now, by the way. And then, of course, at least play it up to the previous level of support and determine whether or not I want to exit my full position or keep some in the market to potentially play the market higher above the critical level. And that's basically how I would play the market. So that would essentially be my price target if we can get a turnaround here at some point here in the short term, okay? Be a little lenient with that price target there, 39, because if we do get a nice turnaround here and you can experience, I don't know, like a 30% move in the market on your portfolio and you're still holding, like, yeah, Napoleon said 39, I'm holding, and the market goes against you and then you're down 5%. Yeah, just take profits, guys. If you have profits, it's okay to take profits. And that's pretty much what I wanted to go over on this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Let's see how this ages. My prediction is there will be at least a buy-in opportunity within the test range. That's my prediction, leading up to the November the 15th date. And again, that's not a breakout date. That is a date that we should see subsiding of this pressure to the downside. And then we have to wait and see what's going to happen if the market can exceed this yellow descending line, okay? That's it, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed that. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. And leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, we explored alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that out when it is available. All right, guys, thank you for stopping out. I appreciate your time. Be sure to execute your strategies in the market. Always be kind, positive energy. Check. All right, guys, take care. Bye for now.